Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can actually line up the back of your neck straight at home. So no need to go to the barber, save yourself some of that money, and all you need is a pair of trimmers and a handheld mirror, and that's it. As you guys can see here, I have probably the dirtiest werewolf patch growing in the back of my neck here. As you can see, I got hair growing up, you know, this way and on this side too, and I have this little rat tail that grows back here. So like I said, all you need is a pair of trimmers, handheld mirror, and let's get straight to it. Okay, so the first step to lining up your neck, you wanna, when you look at your neckline, you'll see that you have a natural line already placed in there. You know, my one is right here, and how you can tell where it is look, where does it separate from thin to dense? The biggest mistake I see a lot of people making is they end up cutting way too deep. So they'll end up cutting, you know, like that, and it's gonna look really, really bad. So you don't wanna do that. You wanna find where the hair separates from being thin to dense, and then that is gonna be the line where you're gonna make it, and you're just gonna follow that natural line like that. And same thing on this side, you're gonna find your natural line, and you're just gonna go down just like that, not cutting in too deep. So we're gonna grab our trimmers. Now that we made the line, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip your trimmer upside down, and you're just gonna go straight down this way. Okay, so there you go guys. We did that line. Now we're gonna go over to the other side, and we're gonna do the same thing. Now we're gonna grab our trimmers. We're gonna go upside down like this, and then we're just gonna go down, just like that. Now we're gonna get to the slightly tougher part. Well, it's not really tough, but I feel like this part is also really crucial and where a lot of people mess up. So the most common mistake that I see, along with cutting too close on the sides here, is people taking the neckline way too high up. So the best way to find out where your neckline is if you have some weird cowlicks in the back like myself right here, right? You wanna find where the area is in these little indents right here and see where it transitions from thin to dense hair. So mine is about like right around here. So our first guideline should be right in the middle, right across, right here. And then once we make our middle guideline, we can match the sides with the middle. So with the hand placement, we're gonna grab our trimmers. We're actually gonna go upside down like this, and we're gonna line it up like that. Okay, now we're gonna match. Just a minor touch up right there. Okay, so there you have it guys. There is the finished result. As you guys can see here, I have little two indents right here, and there's not really much you can do with that unless you taper it out. So when you do line up your neckline, unless you take it like way too high, you're gonna have those indents, but that's totally fine. That's just some people's hair growth patterns just look like that. I'm one of them. So yeah, there you have it guys. Quick and simple, easy tip. Let me know in the comments what other video you guys want me to make, and I'll see you guys next time.